10 Best Soda Makers in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. If you want to enjoy the fizz without the health complications, you need a soda maker to make your own soda water at home. Let's take a look at the best soda makers in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. If you want to buy a well-designed soda maker, Arc Carbonator 2 is the best choice for you. Drinkmate Spritzer Portable Sparkling Water and Soda Maker is the best versatile soda maker in 2020. The most popular soda maker in 2020 is Sodastream Fizzy Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. Let's check our top 10 options. At number 10, we have Issy Steel Soda Water Siphon. If you are looking for a portable soda maker, this is the best one you can buy. Impeccable Culinary Objects IC0011 Soda Siphon is at number 9. This is the perfect tool to make occasional fizzy water for cocktails as it is easy to use, sturdy, and efficient. At number 8, NIVEN Tea Soda Siphon. This is a versatile soda siphon that can be used for NO2 chargers. Drinkmate IDRIP-free carbonating bottle gets the 7th position. This soda maker is sleek and works on any standard 60L cylinder. Sodastream Aqua Fizz Sparkling Water Machine with CO2 and glass carafes is at number 6. It uses glass carafes so that it is naturally more fragile than the usual PET bottles. At number 5, Sparkle Beverage System Sparkling Water and Soda Maker. It's faster than most carbonators and the carbonator packs have recyclable packaging. We have Sodastream Fizzy One Touch Sparkling Water Maker at number 4. You'll love it for its size, which is small enough to set up even in small kitchen counters. Sodastream Source Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit gets the 3rd position. It contains a Source Sparkling Water Maker, a mini CO2 carbonator, a BPA-free reusable Source carbonating bottle and a 60-liter carbonator cylinder. In the 2nd position, we have Arc Carbonator 2. This is a great product because it works efficiently and the CO2 cylinders are easily accessible from online stores. Sodastream Fizzy Sparkling Water Maker Bundle is the best soda maker in 2020. This classic black soda maker contains a fizzy sparkling water maker, 3 reusable bottles and 2 zero-calorie flavorings. You can buy any of these soda makers by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.